Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about how to solve two-step inequality word problems. So, quick review on how we would solve two-step inequalities in general is we're going to solve the same way we would solve regular equalities, except that whenever we multiply or divide a negative sign through, we must flip the inequality. Okay, so let's get into the examples because I'm sure that's really why everyone's here. The first one says a gym charges a $25 initiation fee and $15 per month for membership. If you want to spend no more than $200 in the first year, how many months can you maintain your membership? All right, so basically, first I'm going to write an expression for how much the gym would charge in total. So in total, the gym would charge 15 X, right? Because that's $15 per month. So let's let X be the number of months. And so the cost of that would be 15X. Plus, there's a one-time $25 charge for the initiation. So plus 25. And so this expression, 15x, or 15 times the number of months plus 25, is going to give us the total cost of maintaining that membership for X months. And that number must be less than or equal to 200 because it says we want to spend no more than $200 in that first year. And so now we need to solve for X. We need to know how many months would we be able to maintain the membership for if this needs to happen. So then I'm just going to solve this inequality as usual. So how would we solve this inequality? Well, first I need to undo any addition or subtraction from the left. So I'm going to subtract 25 from both sides. If I do that, these 25s cancel. And then on the right, we have 200 minus 25, which is 175. So then we're left with 15x is equal to 175. So 175 divided by 15, if we divide both sides by 15, these two cancel out, and we get x is less than or equal to 175 over 15, which is 11 and 2/3 of a month. Now, assuming that the gym probably doesn't really let us, only do 2/3 of a month or a half of a month or something like that, assuming that the gym only does full months, the maximum number of months we could maintain the gym membership would be 11 months, and then we'd have a little bit of money left over. But as soon as we go up to 12 months, we've actually gone a bit past $5 over that $200 budget that we set for ourselves. And so the answer is therefore, you can maintain the membership for 11 months this year. All right, now as always, if you have any questions, please leave those down in the comment section. And let's do one more example. Jamie wants to buy books for school. Each book costs $12 and he has $60 to spend. How many books can he buy if he wants to save at least $12? Let B be the number of books. So for this one, we know that each book costs $12, so his cost will be $12 per book. So 12B is going to be the total amount that he would spend on books. Plus, in addition to the amount he's spending on the books, he also wants to save $12. And so if he wants to save at least $12 of the $60 that he has to spend on something else, then that means that technically he only really has $48 to spend, right? And so therefore 12B must be less than or equal to the amount he has to spend, which would be 48, or 60 minus the $12 that he wants to save to potentially spend on something else. So 60 minus 12 would be 48. So therefore 12B must be less than or equal to 48. And then if I divide both sides by 12, I get that B is less than or equal to 4, because 48 divided by 12 is 4, and the 12s on the left cancel out. And so, therefore, in terms of how many books can he buy, he can buy up to 4 books. So he can either buy 0 books, or 1, or 2, or 3, or 4. So, therefore, Jamie can buy up to 4 books for school. All right, well, as always, if you have any questions, please leave those down in the comment section, and we'll see you for the next one.